Welcome back in this beautiful sunny morning. In this video I will remove all crashed parts at the front and we will be able to see how bad actually damage is at the front. In addition, we will start working on interior, on the blown airbags and test fitting some parts. But first, let's reallocate the car. Safe and sound, we have arrived at destination. Today I will be attacking the interior. Next I will be focusing on the airbags. First I will remove the steering wheel airbag. It is held on only by 2 screws. After that, disconnecting the airbag. It is connected only by 2 wires. There we go, removed steering wheel airbag. Ready to be sent to refurbish. Let's remove the driver's seat. Again, only 2 screws at the front. Let's slide seat forward. That way we will be able to access the last screws. The seat looks messed up. And what we have here? Okay, the car already costs $5 Canadian less. Now let's remove the rear bracket. And just like that, front seat is out. Oh nice, more free money. Next, we will be removing the rear seat to get better access to interior panels. It is held on only by 2 clips, so no screwing around. And the seat is out. Next, let's remove this side panel to access the seat belt. And belt is out. Moving forward, let's remove everything that is in our way. We start with expansion tank, radiator bracket, hood latch and the cable, headlight which survived the impact, upper radiator hose, well, it's seen better days. This will be replaced. Radiator bracket, steering wheel expansion tank, some cooling shrouds. Next goes the air conditioning radiator. Unfortunately, pipe broke off. And the AC radiator is out. Oil cooler and the broken pipe. So, let's examine the mess I made. I still need to get out this radiator pack. Let's remove intake pipe that is in our way. And with gentle persuasion, there goes our radiator pack with the fan. So, the car front end is stripped away. We can now see all the metal work, including the crash bar. So, here comes the grinding wheel and let's get it off. One gentle tap. There we go, crash bar removed. Now we have better access to the frame rails. We can take a closer look. Let's inspect the damage. All this side looks good, no obvious visual damage. Crashed this connection section, but at that place it will be cut off anyway, so only need to straighten this part. Frame rails look straight apart from this front section. Distance between frame rails meet the technical specification. On this frame rail lips should be straightened, other side looks pretty good. Let's check from the top the part that will be cut off. So all the way to the other side this is crumbled up. This side looks good, so maybe we can try to keep this section, as this is obviously damaged and crumbled up. Our work is done. Next stop, body shop, where we'll be replacing all this crumbled up piece except this left side. So just now received the first batch of the spare parts. Bumper, radiator support, the hood, the fender, some inner structure things. So next thing is to unpack and check for damage. At the end of the video I will be test fitting the parts to get a rough feeling how it will look.
Stars in the city, lights all around, dreams getting gritty.
Front bumper looks good. With paint and the primer it will be more sturdy. Let's compare side by side front part of the car. For sure we can see it is aftermarket, not the original Ford. Overall, fender and bumper fitment is nice, gaps are pretty good and everything lines up. Hopefully next video we will be doing some metal work. Thanks for watching and drop some likes.